Hey, hey! How you doing, guys? Hey, so we got some real benefits for you today here. We're going to show you how to, in your own hometown, even if you don't live by a river or by the ocean.
Yeah.
Right? How to find agates, cool rocks, jasper, petrified wood,
Yes, and
chert,
and common opal, and all kinds of different rocks that you associate with river rocks.
That's right, and even if you don't cut them and all that kind of stuff, they're usually in a size that's really easy to set and put into the tumbler, as you can see all around us, right?
Like here, we're in a pile of 1.5 inch drain rock at a local landscape company that's 15 minutes from our house.
There's your first tip right there, guys. Okay, we're also going to reveal to you what to look for, and this particular type of rock happens to be full of dirt, and so it isn't always apparent, but we're going to show you some tips on how to find it. CJ is going to do all of the magic she always does about sharing with you, revealing and finding these cool rocks in this big pile.
It is always my pleasure. So get out there, get rocking, even if it's at your local landscape.
Right.
Ask for permission and find your treasure today. Hey, what I noticed in the pile is it's covered with a lot of dirt. But just right off the bat, I spotted two, not just one, but two really sweet pieces. Right here. Both of them are gorgeous pieces of wood. And the reason I could tell it is through the striations on the wood. Now, this is why you carry a water bottle, because you wet them down and you can really see the character come out. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of wood. And this one, you can really see the wood detail in it. Very nice scores. Just up the pile from those two pieces of wood, I spotted this little guy. He's kind of a hider. He kind of blends in real nicely with the pile. But the shape and the texture says that it really is an agate. Now watch when I spray it. Look at the hat. That is a beautiful piece of carnelian.
So what's up next, CJ?
Okay, just down from that agate, as I noticed the agate, I noticed it, but it's a really big, big piece of brachiated jasper right here. And you can see the lines of quartz in it, and you can see how pretty it is, but watch when I wet it down. Look at that. Talk about colors and swirls and the brachiations. That is just a beautiful, beautiful piece of jasper.
So what was your clue on that one?
Well, actually, it was mainly the color, but also looking for the lines of quartz. And the lines of quartz will sparkle in the sunlight, so that's something to keep an eye out for. But mainly it was just the color. And I mean, it is going to be spectacular. Look at that face. Here's one that caught my eye. Just a little bit of a glow, but also a little bit of blue.
Where is it, CJ?
It's right here. Now watch when I wet it down. That blue becomes a white, And that, my friend, looks like a limb cast.
Ooh, that's petrified wood, isn't it?
That's right. It's petrified wood that's been replaced by quartz, and they call it a limb cast. And it is just absolutely spectacular.
Wow, that is something else.
And like I said, you got to be quick on it because people are coming in to buy stone. So they're not really caring about what it looks like, whereas a rockhound, you really do. So you got to grab them when you can. Like these two. These two are spectacular. They popped up right after.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, and look, there's another one. Actually, here's two more.
Oh,
That's,
wow, look at that.
yeah. Up. Look at those. Those are sweet.
Four banger.
Yeah, that is a serious four banger. Okay, just down from the pile, just down, kind of catty corner from where we saw the demarcated jasper, is this little guy. Nice glow. Looks like it might have a pocket. Let's see it wet. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Oh yeah, that is.
Was it the hole that kind of tuned you into that
Actually,
one, or was it the glow? Or?
Right here is what caught my eye, was that wrinkly skin that's only agate. But that hole is also what clues you in that it probably is an agate. Really nice one. Holy crow! Now that is what you want to see on the pile. Ho ho ho, right here. Tell me that's not a glower. Is that not a beauty? And that's one thing about agates. A lot of times they don't accept dirt. They're almost resistant to the dirt most of the time. Well, not most of the time, but some of them are, as you can see, resistant to the dirt. So they just love being the rock stars of the rockin' world. Let's get it wet and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Now that is a beauty. That is spectacular. That's the rock star.
What'd you find now?
Haha. Just up from where we found those others. Look at that one. Oh my God. Agate City.
Scoring left and right.
Yeah. That is sweet.
You're done.
Okay. What caught my eye is this blue. So we're gonna spray it and see what it is. It's a faker. Oh, but we move that faker out of the way. Look what shows up. Come on.
Look what's underneath it too, CJ.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
cow.
That one is a milky quartz. Oh, and look at that pocket. Hang on one second. Let me get my hand sprayed. Oh, yeah. Look at the pocket in that one. That is going to be so nice and druzy. Now, I scooted my little butt down the hill, thinking I saw another one down there, but I glanced back and look at that glower right here. It was right under my butt the whole time. Wow. And that is spectacular.
What is it?
That is a banded agate, but it has some interesting.
Almost looks like limb casting.
Yeah, it has some limb cast characteristics, but I think it's just a banded agate, and that is. But dang, that is a beauty. That is gorgeous. Okay, what I spotted was the shine. Down the hill is all I caught, was this beautiful shine right here. But that right there tells me, but look at that glow right there. That is gonna be spectacular. Oh my God, and it's gonna be a huge one. Holy crow, look at it wet. Oh my God. That is spectacular. Oh, look at that. That is huge. And oh my God, the colors in it.